Okay, so we have the stock exhaust here for the Kx65. I was thinking about getting like a Pro Circuit or FMF full system, but then I was thinking, wait a minute, that'd be kind of cool just to take the stock stuff and make it look like a works system. So what I want to do is first off just clean them because they're pretty grubby, a bunch of just grub all over the place. So get them clean and then strip the paint. I was thinking about trying to grind off this whole paragraph that Kawasaki had to write, but I think I'm just gonna leave it because it might just look weird, because then I have to like polish it and do all sorts of stuff to make it go away. So I'm just gonna leave that, call it good. But yeah, strip the paint off of this little section of the silencer, and then the tip, which is kind of already stripping by itself. But yeah, once it's stripped, take a little torch and hit all the welds on this, and hit the welds on the silencer, and then try to polish this aluminum middle part out, and then probably torch the little tip. So yeah, not really sure how to do this. I'm just kind of gonna wing it, see what happens. So yeah, stay tuned. And if you didn't see my last video, I broke my collarbone, so it's gonna limit me a little bit. I can't really do as much, but I can feel my dad doing stuff, and I can feel myself struggling to do stuff. So it'll work out. It'll be fine. I don't have to have this thing done anytime soon now, so it's all good. Okay, so we got the little end cap with the centerpiece for the silencer mounted in the vise right now. Hit it with the wire wheel. Got it pretty nice looking finish. So right now I'm going to take map gas torch and just torch the end. Try to get it nice and blue and looking cool. So, yep. So it's not so defined, I guess, as I'd wanted, I originally wanted, but I really like it because the whole thing now is just kind of blue. It looks really sick. Because I was kind of going for like the inside, that little small little weld. I wanted the heat, like all the little purples and like all those colors that come after the heat. But I kind of like the whole thing just kind of being blue. So I'm happy with that. Now I'm going to get this, hit some heat on that little weld. And then there's a couple of like tacks over here. It might just like bloop bloop. So. Alright, so we got the middle aluminum piece pretty clean, and all the paint stripped off of this. Put some heat on the welds. Whoops. Looks pretty cool. Then cleaned off the tip and put some heat on there as well. So, gonna go ahead and pack this thing. Okay, so I think the silencer turned out pretty good. And later on, if I'm like, yeah, I don't like that, I can just Scotch-Brite it off and do it. But it's pretty clean, and yeah, it just looks good. So for the pipe, we were bouncing around ideas. Our original idea was to use like aircraft paint remover and like strip the paint that way. And then we thought, what if we send it off and got it sandblasted? And then what I think I'm gonna do is just do the same thing I did to that, which is just wire wheel, because I tested a little spot in the back here already, and with like very minimal, it just strips it right down to metal, just like that. So I'm gonna do that. Alright, so I just got the exhaust mounted up on the bike and it looks amazing, super sick. Excited how it came out. And you may be thinking to yourself, is it really worth all the hours of hard work just to make a stock pipe look like a pipe that actually has some power benefits, such as FMF or Pro Circuit? You know, probably not, but I just want to see if I could do it. And I could, and it looks sick, so I'm gonna run with it. Plus, I have nothing but time on my hands because this stupid broken collarbone. I gotta land knack-knacks. Yeah, but anyway, I think it turned out pretty sick. Gonna probably have to put like WD-40 on there in the future so it doesn't rust out, because now it's just raw metal. But yeah, I'm happy with it. So, forgot I don't have springs for it, so I just bolted in right now to order springs. Yeah. There's, I guess, what's this, part 4? The Kx65 build? Yeah, just like that. Custom DIY works or factory exhaust. So yeah.